Module 4, Lección 2. ¿Qué hora es? All right. To ask what time is it, you use ¿Qué hora es? So this is kind of like the epitome of our elevator conversations for Spanish 1, right? If you're in an elevator, you're probably not asking someone how many siblings they have, but you very well might say, what time is it? So, ¿qué hora es? If it's 1 o'clock or within the 1 o'clock hour, you're going to say, es la una. For example, es la una de la mañana. It's 1 in the morning. If it's any other time of day outside of the 1 o'clock hour, you're going to use son las. If you think about it, es is for singular things and son is for plural. The number 1 is singular and all the other numbers are plural. So if you think about it that way, maybe it's a little bit easier. Por ejemplo, son las 10 de la mañana. That's 10 in the morning. Okay. ¿Qué hora es? 1 o'clock. Es la una. 2 o'clock. Son las 2. 3 o'clock. Son las 3. 4 o'clock. Son las 4. 5 o'clock. Son las 5. And another point, if you want to say that it's on the dot, you say en punto. So, es la una en punto. It's 1 o'clock on the dot. Exactly 1 o'clock. Son las 2 en punto. It's 2 o'clock on the dot. It's exactly 2 o'clock. Son las 3 en punto. It's exactly 3 o'clock. Son las 4 en punto. It's exactly 4 o'clock. Son las 5 en punto. It's exactly 5 o'clock. Okay. Son las 6, 6 o'clock. Son las 7, 7 o'clock. Son las 8, 8 o'clock. Son las 9, 9 o'clock. Son las 10, 10 o'clock. Son las 11, 11 o'clock. All right, 12 o'clock a.m. versus 12 o'clock p.m. If it's midnight, es la medianoche, or in the middle of the night. If it's noon, or 12 o'clock p.m., es el mediodía, or the middle of the day. Okay, time of day. De la mañana, in the morning. De la tarde, in the afternoon. Or de la noche, in the evening or at night. Usually a good way to tell if it's afternoon or evening is if you've eaten dinner. And that would vary between cultures. So in Spain, they typically don't eat dinner until 7 o'clock. So they might say that it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon or 6 o'clock in the afternoon instead of at night. But in the US, it's 7 o'clock. Typically, we've eaten dinner. So we might say at night. So it can be a little bit fluid. But we all know if it's 6 o'clock in the morning, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So 6 a.m. would be son las 6 de la mañana. It's 6 in the morning. 3 o'clock p.m. son las 3 de la tarde. 9 o'clock p.m. son las 9 de la noche. All right. Now, when telling time from 1 o'clock to 30 minutes after, you're going to use the word y, which means and. Just like when you have numbers, it's kind of like an addition equation, just like with numbers in Spanish. So 12 and 2, 12:02. Okay, and that is on the right side of the clock face. When telling time from 31 minutes after to 59 minutes after, use the word menos, which means minus, and that's on the left side of the clock face. I will definitely update these notes so it says 59 minutes after, like it does over here. Por ejemplo, this is 4:05. When telling time from 1 minute after to 30 minutes after, use the word y. So we would say, it is 4, son las 4, y, and if it's 5 minutes after, 5, son las 4:05. If it's in the afternoon, we might say de la tarde. Okay, if it's 4:10, It's now moved 5 minutes. Son las 4:10. 4:18. Now we're kind of having to guess because there's no tick marks here. Analog clocks are not quite as accurate as digital clocks if there's no tick marks. Son las 4:18. 4:28. Son las 4:28. All right, now on the left side of the clock face, when telling time from 31 minutes after to 59 minutes after, you're going to use the word menos. What that means is that you are going to go up to the next hour and then subtract time. So if it is 4:31, you will say it's 5 minus 29. Okay? So this time is 9:55, right? So we'll look at this. It's 5 minutes until 10. Okay? So we'll say it's 10 minus 5. Son las 10 menos 5. Okay? This now is 9:50, or 10 minutes until 10. So son las 10 menos 10. This is 9:40, or 20 minutes until 10. So son las 10 menos 20. It's 10 minus 20. All right. Casos especiales. If you have a quarter hour or a half hour, then you're going to use some special words. Okay? If it is like here, 8:15, you're going to say 8:15, not cuatro. So be careful there. Cuarto, and a quarter. So it's 8:15. This is 8:30. Son las 8:30. It's 8:30, or 8:30. Okay, this is going to be, looks like 10:45. So 10:45. Son las 11 menos cuarto. It's 11 minus a quarter, so 11:45. Okay. 4:00 a.m. Son las 4 de la mañana. 9:00 p.m. Son las 9 de la noche. 11:00 a.m. Son las 11 de la mañana. 1:00 p.m. Es la 1 de la tarde. Midnight. Es la medianoche. 12:00 p.m. Es el mediodía. 3:00 p.m. Son las 3 de la tarde. 2:02 p.m. Now let's practice if it's not in punto, or exactly on the hour. Son las 2:02 de la tarde. So it's 2 and 2. So 2 minutes after 2 in the afternoon. Son las 2:02 de la tarde. 4:12. Son las 4:12 de la mañana. So it's 4 and 12. 12 after 4 in the morning. Son las 9:10 de la mañana. So it's 9 and 10. 10 after 9. Son las 3:20 de la mañana. It's 3 and 20 in the morning. Son las 18 de la mañana. It is 10 and 8 at night. Es la 1:11 de la tarde. It's 1 and 11. 11 after 1 in the afternoon. Notice it's es la 1. It's still 1 o'clock. So es la 1. Son las 2:15 de la tarde. That's that caso especial, that special case. So it's 2 and a quarter. Son las 11:30 de la noche. It's 11 and a half 11, 11:30 at night. Son las 7:29 de la noche. It's almost 7:30. It's 7:29. Son las 3:01 de la tarde. So it's 3 minus 1. Son las 5 menos 20. So it's 20 to 5. Son las 11 menos 25. So it's 11 minus 25, 25 to 11. Son las 12 menos cuarto de la noche. All right, that's it for this video.